Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. You may not know, originally I am from the Channel Islands and today I wanted to make a Guernsey gâche. First we need to sieve together a pound of flour, which is about 453 grams. Ignore the video, I ran out of plain flour so I just used a backup. And some salt, which was a teaspoon, and we're going to leave that to stand in a warm place. We then need to cream together the yeast and the sugar, which was 1 ounce of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 ounce is about 28 grams. We then need to add some of our water. We will need half a pint of warm water later. We will also be leaving this yeast mixture in a warm place. Shout out to Waitrose for having actual Guernsey butter so I can make a proper Guernsey gâche. We need half a pound of Guernsey butter. This is about 226 grams. We're going to rub the butter into the flour and then make a well in the centre to add your yeast mixture and gradually add the rest of your water, making a soft dough. Lastly, we need to fold in all of our fruit, so it's 2 ounces of mixed peel and 12 ounces of sultanas. That is 56 grams of the mixed peel and 340 grams of the sultanas. You're then going to cover and leave your mixture to prove in a warm place for 1.5 to 2 hours. Turn your mix into a 1 pound loaf tin, and then we will be baking it at 220 for 30 minutes and then lower it down to 200 for another 30 minutes. Personally, I think that was slightly too long. It seemed to almost dry out the centre a little bit, so I would maybe run with 200 degrees Celsius for 45 to an hour and see what that's like. I also feel like there's maybe too many sultanas, but I'll let you be the judge of that. Let me know if you make this, and if you want to see anything else similar. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.